shoot. A lot of it came loose. Got them lines out, letting the thing drain a little bit. Need to go get me a drain plug, but got them oil transmission cooler lines off. Got the starter hanging. I don't know if y'all can see all this stuff, but got the starter hanging, got the transmission cooler lines off. So it's pretty much about to come down. Gonna take the drive shaft out. But yeah. It's real tight up under here. That's why you don't get no video, no wrenches turning, but it's all coming out. Man, so the old transmission is out. Go ahead and take that mug to the west side garage. Got the new one getting set up to be put in. A little early morning work. About to get this thing in there. Get it back up in. See what we're gonna do. Well, it's up under there. I know y'all can't see much of nothing. I'm on the ground, but it's in there. All that tapping, we're working on the drive shaft. Are we finished now? Yeah. So, underneath, everything has been put together. Everything has been, all the plugs plugged in, all the piping back up, all the hoses back together. So all the stuff underneath has been put back like it was. So transmission is up. However, the fun has just begun, because now, yeah, got a little bit of wiring to do. So I guess we'll go ahead and try to figure out where these wires go. This set right here and this set right here. An idea to use the original plug and the wire cluster, this cluster right here, from the poly wiring harness, splice those wires into this wiring harness so that it basically plugs in and almost looks like factory again, but is connected to the new harness. So that's for the reverse lights, and then also for the neutral safety switch. So I'm gonna put both of those in, put both of those together, and after that, might be able to put in a little fluid, crank this thing up, and see what it do. So wired it up, checked it out before I heat shrink them, and then after I heat shrink it, I taped them up to kind of keep them cleaner, like I said. But if you were looking at it just from right here, you know what I mean, you think that was a factory connection. That's it right there. So pretty clean there for that part anyway. So really, throw some fluid in this thing. Don't want to overfill it, so I think I'm gonna go a little low, back it out the garage, you know, go through the gears a little bit, shift the gears, not really drive it yet, but I'm gonna shift the gears, let it run for a while, let it warm up, check it, and then after that, gonna go for a ride. Well, shoot. Guess I just found out 100% that I need a new battery. Come up here, I turned it off just so I can cycle the engine, and now I'm stuck. Dang. It's a long walk to the house too. Alright, so the transmission is in. I'm actually out on the street right now, kind of doing some tuning to get it to shift where I want it to shift. Trying to figure this system out because there is no information on it. But for right now, I'm here with my laptop and my data logging, and I'm out on the street trying to do a little something. But transmission is up, it's moving, it's back on the road. We just got to get it right. So, hey, we in there. See y'all boys soon at the track.